This is the NOKIA X30 smartphone I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can bypass the parental controls feature on this device. So first of all, I have to mention one very important thing. In order to use the method that I will show today, you have to know the password to the child's Google account. Otherwise, this method will not be able to execute it. So with this out of the way, we can just go ahead and start. So launch settings, enter the Google category. Then over here, you have to tap on the prior to proceeding, I'll show that my parental controls are actually enabled. As you can see, they are. So now tap on the account or manage your account button over here. Once the Google account management page will load, open the data and privacy section, scroll the page all the way down and tap on the delete your Google account option. Do not be afraid, we will delete the Google account, and right afterwards, right after the parental controls will be deactivated, we will recover it. So no worries on this end, you will not lose your Google account, so do not worry. So in here, enter the child's password, or the password to the child's Google account to be absolutely exact. Then you'll get the following confirmation page. Scroll it all the way down, check those two boxes, and tap on the delete account button. So in here you can get two messages, either this one, something went wrong, or the message that will clearly state that you have successfully deleted the account. Both are fine, both obviously identify that we did everything correct and the Google account has been successfully removed. So with Google account erased, the parental controls are also gone. So if I'll open up the parental controls section, I'll see that they are not set up. So this part of this tutorial has been successfully executed and the goal is achieved. And all that it's left to do is to recover or restore the Google account, which you can do by opening the Play Store, signing into it with the actual account that we have just deleted. So I'll enter the email. Okay, I didn't do it correctly. That happens, I guess. So HardReset.Info gaming. Then you'll get the following message: this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. That's completely fine by us. Click on the next button, then enter the password to the account. You might get something went wrong message. That's fine, do not be afraid, just redo all the steps. So enter the email address once again, then enter the password once again as well. And now it worked. So in here, tap on I agree button, then accept all the Google services and what's not. And that will be it. As you can see, the account has been successfully restored. The parental controls have been successfully switched off. So thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.